Hey guys, this is CryptoCruz once again bringing you another crypto market update with CoinFinancial. This one is going to be a short video, just a quick update. I'm just going to do a quick tech analysis, everything that's been happening. And if you like these short videos, guys, just click this subscribe button below, click the like button. Just click the like button if you like these short videos. That way I can try to start making it every day. Just, wherever I am, I'm just going to make it, right? So let's dive right in. I'm gonna go with a tech analysis and then look back from yesterday and what we talked about. Okay. Actually, let's do that now. All right. I'm gonna play a clip from yesterday, my YouTube video from yesterday about my prediction and everything. All right. Let's go ahead and do that. Right. We're bouncing up and down here. Right now, we actually tipped the bottom of that falling wedge, right? So there is a chance that we can break that and just go straight down here right now, okay? That would actually be nice if we actually do that now rather than later, because I'm done waiting, right? And like I said, I'm expecting us to retest that. I don't want to prolong it, but the prolonged scenario is we actually bounce off of this, go back up here, and retest this resistant, right? And then get rejected again and go lower to finally retest this support. If that happens, we're going all the way down to $31,900, $32,000. If this happens now, we could like just straight shot down right now. We will see 32,800, a little below 33K, right? If we prolong it, there's a good chance we'll meet somewhere around here where the wedge and where the widening wedge support and my bigger resistant meets, and it's at 31.9. Okay, so again, I actually would rather see this fall all the way down to 32,800 now than see a 31,900 later. Okay? All right, there you have it, guys. So I was actually rooting for us to go a lot lower and break that support. Where a lot of people are praying that we don't break the support. It's actually a blessing in this scenario, because if we didn't break that support, we would still be at around $35,000 and prolonging this thing, right? But look at what happened because of the FUD. A lot of people mistake FUD as fake news. No, no, no. There's nothing fake about what's going on in Ukraine and Russia, right? But it stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. First of all, the Ukraine and Russia, that's as real as it can get. Okay? That's as real as it can get. But it drives fear, it drives uncertainty, and it drives doubt towards the market, especially Bitcoin also. But the thing is, a lot of people that feels that they don't know the fundamentals and the technology behind Bitcoin, because first of all, people either tend to forget or they just don't know. Bitcoin was actually created to solve all of this problem. It solves the war, it solves the financial crisis, it solves all of this problem. That's what Bitcoin was created for. So why would people be selling when there's a war? People should be selling other assets and going into Bitcoin. But let's go right back. That's another topic, okay? I promise this is gonna be short. So this is what we have right now. All right. So if I'm a little bit zoomed out, let's just zoom in. That way we can, you know, look at it. So what happened actually is this the chart earlier was actually Binance. This is Bitfinex. This is the Bitfinex chart. It has a little bit more a little different in the trend, okay? But I looked at the Bitfinex chart, and Binance chart looks very similar. The only difference is my support line that was at the bottom, it's actually a little bit higher in Bitfinex. And what it is we actually broke out and broke through that support line right there. That is similar to the Binance chart that I showed y'all earlier in my previous video. But yeah, what happened was actually what I was hoping for, right? This long red candle right here, when it started a new one, it just went all the way down and broke, right? And just like I said, I'd rather have it break that support. Right now, we didn't quite reach the next support line of actually 33,000 and something, right? We didn't quite reach that support line, but we did break. But again, you can never time the bottom. These markets are unpredictable. Everything is all about probabilities. So, but we did break it, right? We wicked down and then bounced up. And sure enough, just like I said, I'd rather have that happen now than happen later. Okay? So it happened now, and guess what? We recovered all the way up, and we actually broke the resistant line and broke up out of that widening wedge pattern, widening falling wedge pattern, which is usually a bullish pattern. And because that happened, now we actually formed not a perfect one, but a W pattern, right? And I'm gonna draw this right here, actually. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna start drawing for y'all. So this right here, that is actually a W pattern. How do you erase that? Ah, cool. Yeah, we're seeing a W pattern right there. Here's the neckline right there. If we can break that neckline and just go up, you know, our next target will be that green line that I have right here. Let's see, which is the 41,545. That is our next target, right? We want to break this neckline. We want to break this neckline right here, that neckline I just drew. Okay, let me see. And then go shoot up over there. Now that's going to be our next resistance, the 41,545 pattern. That's going to be our resistance. That's what we're going to look at. We are still in a downtrend on a short term. We're still in a downtrend. I'm still bearish on a short term until we actually break the 41,500 level. Okay, when we break that, then I'll be bullish again on the short term. Why do I keep saying on the short term? Because on the long term, guys, on the long term, this is just going to be a sneak peek for the next video. But on the long term, when we go to the weekly chart, we are still pretty bullish on the weekly chart on the long term. The Bollinger is still bullish. Oh, sorry, that's the monthly chart. Oh, what am I doing? Sorry. Yeah, the monthly chart, my bad. We're still bullish on the Bollinger on the monthly chart right here. And what's forming right now, actually, what's forming right now is a doji candle, right? It's hard to see with all my indicators, but that is a doji candle. If we close the month, which we have 3 days and 18 hours left, but if we close the month with this candle looking like this, that is a reversal candle, guys. That is a reversal candle. So we're definitely bullish. And also on the longer time frame. And also we are just creating higher highs all the time. See, we had, I mean, it's our higher lows. It's pretty late, man. I'm about to sleep. But anyways, there's a low here, right? We bounced and now we're creating a higher low, right? Over here we had a high and then we created a higher high. So we're creating higher highs and higher low. We're still definitely on an uptrend. Okay, now here's a sneak peek for our next video. we are gonna take all of this off. Boom, boom, boom. And let me make this long for a little bit. We're gonna turn that on. Boom. And then I'm gonna go with my logarithmic. This is the Gaussian channel, guys. This is the Gaussian channel. And let's just say every time we get close to the bottom of the Gaussian channel and actually go below it, it's always the best time to buy. And we're going to talk about that on the next video. Sorry to leave y'all hanging, but I promised this was going to be a short one. All right. All right. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm going to try to always keep it within 10 minutes or less, maybe even 5 minutes sometimes, just to update it throughout the day. All right. Just hit the like button if you like shorter videos so I can update you a lot faster with more frequent updates. Okay. Please like and subscribe. And I'll also read the disclaimer below. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Always buy. All right. So, okay. Until next time. Bye, guys.